Good morning, reception. It's Mrs. Roberts here for any of you who don't know me. I'm one of the teachers in Class 4. I'm here to tell you all about the maths that we're learning about today. It's our second lesson for this week and it's all about shape work again. Have a look at my screen now and we'll go through a little bit of our work. This is the first part of our work, just to get our brains working. We're going to have a look at some numbers. I've got a table here, and in the middle of my table is a circle with some dots in it. Let's count how many dots are in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This circle with 4 dots in represents the number 4. In my table, I've got a box that says fewer, that means less, and a box that says more. Let's have a look at the numbers at the bottom and see if we can put them in the right box in the table. Do they have fewer spots, less spots than the number 4 in the middle, or do they have more spots? Let's try the first one together. How many spots are in the first circle? Let's count them. 1, that's right. Is 1 more than 4 or less than 4? Fewer. That's right. 1 dot is less than or fewer than 4. So it goes in here. Here is my number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. And here is number 1. 1 dot. 1 is fewer than 4. Let's try another one. Let's have a look how many dots are in this circle. We can count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is 4 fewer than 4? Or is it more than 4? That's right. Actually, it's the same as. We need to put it in the middle column. 4 dots are in this circle and 4 dots are in this circle. We've just arranged them in a different way. Let's try one more. How many dots are in my circle now? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 dots in my circle. 1 red dot and 4 black dots altogether makes 5. Is 5 fewer than 4 or is it more than 4? That's right, 5 is more than 4. Here we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but in this circle we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1 more dot in this circle. We have 5 altogether. Well done, everybody. Now let's see what we're going to be learning about today. Today we're carrying on with our learning all about shapes. So today we're thinking about using mathematical language to describe shapes around us. Let's have a look and see if we can think about the mathematical language that you learnt about yesterday. So we thought about the words side and corner. Let's take a look at this here. Sides are the straight or curved outsides of a shape. Corners are the pointy parts where 2 sides join together. Let's have a look at these in our shapes on the screen. Here is a circle and it has 1 curved side that goes all the way around. Here is a triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 straight sides and 1, 2, 3 pointy corners. Here we have a square. Squares have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 pointy corners. Here is our rectangle. Rectangles also have 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 pointy corners. On a rectangle, 2 of the sides are long and 2 of the sides are short. Today, we're going to think about shapes that are all around us. We can see in these pictures that there are lots of different shapes. These windows in the building are square-shaped. They have 4 corners and they have 4 straight sides. These doors are rectangle-shaped. They have 4 sides. 2 of their sides are long sides and 2 of their sides are short sides, and they have 4 pointy corners. In this picture, the moon looks like a circular shape. It has no pointy corners, just one side that curves all the way around. Now I'm going to show you some pictures. First, it will be my turn to look at the pictures and talk about them. Then it will be your turn to have a go. I do. I have a shape picture. Which shapes can I see? I'm looking at my picture and I can see that it is a train. The train has some wheels at the bottom which are circle shaped. I know that they are circles because they have one side that curves all the way around. My train has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circle-shaped wheels. I'm looking at the front of my train now and I can see that there is a triangle at the front. I know that it is a triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 pointy corners and 1, 2, 3 straight edges. Let me have a look and see. I can see that the train has a window and the window is a square shape. I know it is a square because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 pointy corners. All of the sides of my square are the same size. Now it's your turn. Have a look at this picture and think about the shapes that you can see in the picture. If you've got an adult with you or a member of your family, maybe you can tell them about what you can see. Have a little think and talk to them about it now. Well done, that's great. There are lots of shapes in your picture of the rocket. I can see that there are 2 circles in the middle for windows. Did you find the triangle at the top of the rocket and the triangles at the bottom and the sides of the rocket? What about the shape for the middle of the rocket? What shape is this? Yes, that's right, it's a rectangle. We know that because it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And it also has 1, 2, 3, 4 pointy corners. Well done. Let's have a look at the next picture. Right, now it's my turn again. I have a famous shape painting by Wassily Kandinsky. He's used so many shapes. I wonder which shapes I can see in his picture. I can definitely see some circles And I know that they are circles because they don't have any pointy corners, but they do have one curved side that goes all the way around. I can also see some triangles, and I know they're triangles because they have 1, 2, 3 straight edges and 1, 2, 3 pointy corners. I can also see some very thin rectangles, and I know that they've got 2 long sides and 2 very short sides, but they've also got 4 pointy corners, just like the other rectangles we talked about. Your turn. Have a look at this picture of a house. What shapes can you see in the picture? Talk to your family or have a think yourself. Well done. You're right, there are lots of different shapes in this picture. Did you spot the circle windows at the top? They have one curved side that goes all the way around. What about the door? What shape is the door? Yes, that's right. The door is a rectangle shape. We can see that it has 4 sides, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 pointy corners. I'm sure you found some other shapes in the picture as well. Now it's your turn. Today's challenge for you at home is to go on a shape hunt and look for lots of different shapes. You could hunt for shapes in your house, your garden, or you could even go on a shape hunt walk. What do you notice about each shape? How many sides does it have? Are all of the sides the same length? Please share any of your work with us that you do. The email address that you can send your work to is displayed on the screen. mywork@diamondwoodacademy.co.uk. Perhaps you could take a picture of some of the shapes that you saw and ask your grown-up to send them to us. Just remember to put your name in the subject heading so that we know who the super work is from. Thank you very much for listening today, reception. I hope you have a lovely rest of the day and I will see you again next week for your next maths lesson. Make sure you have a look at some of the storytime videos as well that the teachers have been sending in telling you stories. Well done for today. Thank you. Goodbye.